really worried about you.
Me? Really?
Yeah, you. We were having trouble and we called for you. You didn't come. We knew something was wrong. Whenever we need help, you always show up.
You know, Toodles, I will call all goofers for help before next time from Crouch Van. Oh.
And we always to be from you, Toodles. We are friends or fairies, right? Gee, thanks. You're welcome. You know, it always robs us 2 toes towards his always episodes of Thomas Cole's Clubhouse. So bye, fairies. Bye, 2 toes. Now, let's go back to the Beast Castle.
Wow, I am still right here. Oh.
He's your cousin and all, but there are things you can do that no one else can do.
I guess you're right.
And 2 toes, why you